In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a super simple skin enhancing superfood smoothie that will increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism, help you feel full and sustained so that you can get on with your day, while also providing excellent nutritional values to help repair damaged skin cells and to have healthier looking skin. I will explain the benefits of having this skin enhancing superfood smoothie as part of a regular diet at least 1 to 2 times per week, and how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling meal consists of only 4 simple ingredients that can easily be accessible throughout your home. These ingredients are 1 carrot, 1 large or 3 small tomatoes, half a cucumber, half a cup of ice cubes and a glass of water. Once you have all the contents gathered, you can place them in a blender and mix them until you have a consistent texture. This simple and healthy drink not only helps to boost the immune system, but it also helps to detoxify the body, to help fight off infections, to keep you in perfect health. And the tomatoes have certain ingredients that actually help repair skin cells so that you will have clearer looking skin. This is a simple meal that won't take long to prepare, and you will be surprised at how good it actually tastes. That'll get your day off to a great start, help satisfy your appetite while giving you plenty of energy. If you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.